Hey, it's David here. The playbook has changed. Yeah, the old models that we've lived by and found to be true for most part have really flipped 180 degrees. What do I mean by that? We've lived in a zero interest rate era, essentially, for many, many years, particularly the last 15 years, until inflation hit, until we had COVID, and interest rates have spiked in the last 3 years. That's changed the dynamics of everything. Some people think we're going back to lower interest rates. I wouldn't bet the farm on it. There's too much debt, too much inflation, pent up demand. Rates can't go down. And for reasons I won't go into today, I just think it's a mistake to think we're going to go back to the old models. So my premise is the playbook's changed. What do we do about that? Number one, we've got to quit hanging our hat on these big exits. Exits from anything, exits from investment assets, whether it's real estate, whether it's dental practices, the big exit, the multiples that were based on cheap debt are over. Now we've got to look at what do we invest in, again, our businesses and other investment classes that are hard assets. I love hard assets, but now we've got to look at fundamentally strong operations and operators. The model has got to have some longevity. It can't be this quick flip, money in, money out. The financialization era, that is the arbitrage of cheap debt, is over. I'm not saying there isn't a place to use leverage and debt, but it's a lot less prudent and profitable at higher risk today than it was just a few years ago. So in that change, we have to quit looking at the magic bullet, something to save the day. Building out a game plan while you're on course. You may be young in life, mid-career. You may be an ender looking to exit your active income. All good. But if you're not building replacement income based on hard assets that will produce that income reliably over years and not looking for the high recaps that we've been used to, that's what's going to save the day for you. So determining what those assets are, building in freedom replacement along the way, not just when you want to exit, is the key. Laddering your liquidity. I used to leverage and have my money locked in long-term assets across the board when that model worked. Today, I pulled a lot of that back. I'm keeping a lot more short-term reserve cash liquidity on hand because I know that when the credit markets tighten up, cash is king, and that's the time I may go back in and buy those assets that everybody else is selling. You have to decide for yourself where you are in that model. Finally, underwriting. That is doing your due diligence, discerning what are the best assets for you. This takes some work, and it's something I would advise you to be around other people who are on the same path, who maybe have more experience than you do. You can develop, and you should develop, your own personal investment philosophy. Everybody should have one. It's something that will change over time in life, but if you don't have one to begin with, you've got no clues to where you're going. That's why I'm hosting the Real Wealth Conference in Dallas, Texas, Uptown Dallas, October 23rd to 25th. This is a place where I'm bringing really game changers, not just people with pretty slides, but people that are actually been in the trenches, have a lot of experience in these market cycles, and will be giving you their opinions and forecasts, but mainly the discernment and how they look at life. You're going to develop your own plan. And if you want to rub shoulders with those who have done this before, who have a track record to show, wins and failures, it's all about that. But learning from others is the key. The early bird special pricing for this event runs out next week, September 5th. So if you're in the mode to build your game plan out for the end of this year, starting so you can start 2026 with strong footing, a strong philosophy for you, your spouse, your family, this will be the time to do it. Go to the link below, and love to see you in Dallas, Texas, October 23rd to 25th. This is the way to build your freedom. It's always up to you.